Language sampling is possibly the most effective way to get accurate data on any student from any language background with any communication disorder. It's your language transcription, your intelligibility rating, your voice sample, or your fluency example, all wrapped up in one neat 5-minute activity. Here's the problem though. Language sampling has historically been complex and taken a lot of time to record, transcribe, analyze, and write up a report. We need resources, tools, and expert opinions to learn how to do this fast and get amazing results. That's why we wrote a book on it and published an ebook filled with narrative-based materials. That's why we built a language sample tool that records, transcribes, helps you analyze, and writes up a short report in minutes. That's why we invited Kari Kurto, the National Science of Reading Project Director at the Reading League, to present a masterclass with us in December. That's why our January virtual SLP conference will showcase 3 experts on language sampling. For one day, Monday, December 2nd, you get everything for $99. We'll put a copy of literacy-based intervention activities in the mail to you and also send you the Gigantic Turnip lid kit. You'll get free credits to use the language sampling tool. You'll attend the January conference on language sampling for free and have access to all the replays. And most importantly, you'll be part of the SLP Impact community for a year, having access to all of our online courses, all of our conferences, monthly master classes, and access to us for therapy and evaluation questions along the way. Take advantage of our Cyber Monday sale on December 2nd. Please share this with all your colleagues and friends, and especially with your team leads, because if your team joins, it costs even less.